Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of every time I upload a video. So, excuse the way I look. I'm in my cleaning gear. I was over washing and disinfecting all my soap molds and cleaning up my soap room and disinfecting everything, and I got an alert that I had a package on the porch. Oh, I look horrible. Okay, it's all good. It's my no makeup look. Anyway, this is my first package from Temu. Now, I ordered mostly, I make a fairy garden every year, and I love fairy gardens, and I got a couple this year. I'm adding to it, I'm doing one up on the back porch in the corner by my outdoor altar. So I ordered a few things for that, and I ordered a few things for my indoor altar. And anybody that knows me knows I love gnomes. I ordered some gnomes. That's all I remember. So the only thing I did was scratch out my address, and let's get into this. I think I have scissors here, or maybe not. Fingernail clippers, that'll work. Cut this tape. Alright. Trying to over this so you can see. Excuse the mess. I've been sick, but I'm healthy now, and time to clean up. Alright, so first little package, and it says product name is figurine. Alrighty then. So I don't remember everything I ordered. It didn't take real long. I mean, as I thought it would. Alright, this was supposed to be the way they pictured it. I thought it was going to be like that tall, but it's only that tall. But that's okay. It's metal. Feels metal. And this is a goddess figurine for my altar. And she has the beautiful, like, tree limbish hair. It's cute. I think, I can't remember. I'll list the prices down below. Probably like $2 or $3. I don't think I paid over. One of the goddess statues I might have paid $5.95 for, but nothing over $5. Alright, so there's one. That's cute. Now this, I knew it was a smaller version of a gnome. This is the bumblebee gnome, and this is the male version. He's cute. Very well made. Adorable. I love him. That'll go in my kitchen. And I also got the female version. I don't remember how much these were. Like I said, I'll list all the content below. And I don't know what that noise was, but it sounded like a gunshot for real. Look how cute she is. Oh my god, I love gnomes. You can just picture them with like a little honey jar, sitting on each side of the honey jar. How cute is that? Alright, this box is a little bunked up. Hopefully everything's... Oh no, I hope she's not broken, because this is one I ordered, the Gaia, the Earth Goddess, for my altar. She's exactly the size I thought. Look how beautiful she is. Mother Earth. Like, or Gaia. Look how pretty. Oh, look at that. Very pretty. She's going to make a beautiful addition to my indoor altar that I'm creating. When I got that Mindful Souls thing, I got that crystal grid generator. Putting a whole grid up for myself, my family, and all my subscribers for good energy and prosperity. I want to do a prosperity grid on my indoor altar. I have two, one in my bathroom and one here in this room. This is another gnome. Now, the whole thing came to, I don't remember, $36 maybe? I don't know. I don't remember. Not that much. Oh my gosh, look at him. He has little legs and his little cup of coffee. He's a little coffee gnome. I love him. Nicely made. He's got a little weight to his bottom. Oh my gosh, he's cute. I want to say these were like $4 or $4.95 a piece. Totally worth it, I think. And then there's one more thing. They don't send you a thing, so I'll have to list everything below. I do not know who's blowing my phone up. No idea. So I'm going to turn the sound down. Okay, last but not least, and I don't remember. See, there seems to be some stuff missing because I thought I ordered 2 fairies. Maybe I didn't. It was my first order and I was a little nervous about ordering from them. Even though I've seen some videos. Oh, she's cute. I love her. This is most likely going inside because I don't want her to get ruined. Look how beautiful she is. She sits on a shelf with her little legs hanging down. I mean, I'm not disappointed. There's some weight to this. It's maybe resin. I'm shocked the wings aren't broken. And the last fairy I ordered from Amazon came shattered. And even though it was in this stuff. Alright, so that is my order. I will leave in the description down below what I paid for everything and how much the total order was. And that's it. That's my first Temu order. And I think I will be, now that I see the quality of these fairies and these statues, they have some weight to them. And the quality of them and the quality of these little gnomes. The gnomes I make are much bigger. But for this price, knowing how much this fur is, when you have to buy it, you know, to craft with, this is a great price. And they're cute. And they're sewn and they're put together really nice. And these are, I mean, how can you not love her? Right? Okay. So that's it for today. I hope that you found this video informative. Oh my god, I love her. I absolutely love her. I hope you found this video informative. And I will see you later. And until next time, bye.